My name's Lissy and I'm part of the Yes Let's team. You might have seen me in the wonderful world of YouTube, but this summer, me and the rest of the Yes Let's team are heading off the screen and in to some really exciting workshops. Yes, that's right, we're heading to the barn in Heath and Reach to give you singing, acting, dancing and fun galore. So, yes, let's learn a little bit more about our first workshop. Our first workshop will explore the fantastic, marvellous stories of Roald Dahl. We'll be looking at songs from the amazing Matilda the Musical and dramatising some of Roald Dahl's amazing writing, such as The BFG, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and more. So why not join us for the first session on Thursday the 12th of August. We have 2 sessions. The first begins at 10 a.m. and ends at 1 p.m. and is specifically for children who are aged 5 to 9 years. The second session will begin at 2 p.m. and end at 5 p.m. and is specifically for children who are aged 9 to 13 years. However, if you have a child that really wants to be with their friend who may be in a different category, just let us know. We can be flexible with this. The reason we've got 2 different age groups is just that we've got different kinds of material that suit different age groups. Tickets to the workshops cost £18 per session. Or, if you buy tickets to all 3 of our workshops, you can buy them at the bundle price of £15 per workshop, and this saves you £9 overall. All sessions will be at the barn in Heath and Reach. The day will be filled with acting, singing, dance, games, playing, creating, and tons of fun. We can't wait to see you there. Bye for now!